Hello everyone, welcome to Coding Tricks. Hope you are doing great, right? Yes. So in our previous sessions we have seen some tricks about Excel, right? So in this session we are going to see about copying and pasting the values and how can you copy the paste. We will have so many tricks in this. So you will learn one by one. So if you want to copy this table as it is, what you will do is you will just select this table and then copy it. You can paste it as it is like this. So if you don't want this rupee symbol and dollar symbol and you don't want this color, so at that time what you will do is you will copy this table and then you will paste as values. You want only values, right? So you will paste only the values here. So you will not get here dollar symbol or rupee symbol or color, whatever you can see in the original table. So this is how you can get. So if you want to transpose this, like if you want the rows into columns, columns into rows, so what you will do? So again you will select the original table and then you will go for transpose. So here I want to transpose. I'm going to transpose here. See here you will get name, price, INR and price USD. So in this way you will get with the help of transpose. And next one is if you don't want this border, if you don't want this border, what you will do? So what you will do is if you just want only the values without any border like this, you can also do like this. So no border. If you don't want any borders here, you will click on no borders. So you will get no borders here. You can also put here no borders. In this way you can also apply no borders. So now let us see paste special. So this paste special is important because with the help of paste special you can do so many things like add, multiplication and all. You can do so many things. So I'm going to delete this table because here my data is there. I'm going to use the data. So here I'm going to show you this is the first number and this is the second number. So I'm going to paste this in the second column. I'm going to paste the first column into the second column and also I'm going to add this. That means 10 plus 20 is equal to 30. I'm going to add here itself. So in that case what I will do is I will just copy this and I will click here and I am going to paste special values with add. If you want to add here, you can add here. See here already it is 20 is there. So 10 plus 20 is 30. Here it is 20. 50 plus 20 is 70. 80 plus 30 is 110. In this way you can add the next column. So you can see the original value now. This is the original value before paste special. Okay. Next I want to show you something. Paste special with subtraction. If possible subtraction will get negative value. So I will show you multiply. I will show you multiply here. So I am going to paste special multiply here. So here it is 200, 1000, 2400. In this way, this special will help for all. Like if you want to add, subtract, multiply, whatever you want, you can do all the operations on here itself. So this is how you can do paste special. Next one is if you want to copy cells to one cell to many cells, what you will do is, so I want to copy this apple, banana. What I will do is, I will just copy paste. I want to write here apple, not like that, but I want to write here apple. So in this way I have written. I want to copy this same like this. So I can copy to many rows as well as column in this way, right? You can also copy to different worksheets as well. So for example, here apple is there, right? In the second sheet, if I want to write apple And the third sheet, if I want to write apple, fourth sheet, if I want to write apple, what I will do is, here you can see in sheet 5, sheet 6, sheet 7, it is empty, right? So from sheet 1, I will copy some orange or apple or anything. Then you can click on sheet 5, control click, sheet 6, control click, sheet 7, control click, then paste it. So you will get in A1 orange. So sheet 6 A1 in orange. Then click on sheet 7 A1 in orange. So in this way you can copy to different worksheets. Say when it is mostly useful for the employees. If you want to copy the same names in different worksheets, what you will do is you can use this like this. Then next thing is using fill for quick copying. So if you want to quickly copy like Sunday to Tuesday, what you will do, you will write Sunday or sun or whatever it is. Then you can drag it down. Quickly copy Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday. In this way you can copy down. So this is also useful for you. So in this way you can copy paste and you can fill the data. So I hope you enjoyed this video. Please like, share, subscribe. If you are the first one who is seeing this, please click on the subscribe button. You will not miss other videos. Thank you. Bye bye.